read the news in the newspaper. आजच्या newspaper हांवें news वाचलो की some of the villagers जे थंय चल्ले आसा they are agitating against the work which is being progress of the railways, which railways are doing in that own land. It was given to understand from the railway authorities that some of the villagers are agitating against that work. I went on the side and met some of the agitators and some of the leaders over there. I met to the Pelsam village Panch Sri Ashok Soja, then Sarpanch Maria, and one more person called Oliver. Orville. The thing is that I told them that the railways are conducting the work or doing their own work in the property of the railways as per the survey plan prepared. If any of them are having a claim on the property of the railway, they should produce the survey plan or the survey records of their claim on the railway project or the railway land. None of them appear before me with the documents pertaining to their claim on the property of the railways. Not only this, if I have already told them and the railway officials has already conveyed them that if there is a SS or traditional SS which is there existing, which will be maintained. And I have also told them that if in case they are finding the records and they are having the records, they can come in my office or either in the office of the railways and produce those documents before the authorities for claim over the railway property. None of them turn out to be there. कोणूच येवंक ना म्हज्या फुड्यान की रेल्वेच्या प्रॉपर्टीचेर आपलो क्लेम. So it was instructed to continue the work of the railways. So basically provided in the procedure. See, this land is existing there prior to the survey records which has been conducted right in the Land Revenue Code 1968 from 1975, which have been maintained there. And nobody has filed any objection till date on the properties of the railways or the track which has been existing over there. So in case producing such kind of documents over there, wherein one and footing form or a survey records which has to be produced or ownership documents on the railway track, you cannot find any such case, and we don't have any such case over here for several years now. And आता तो क्लेम कसो कोण तरी कोण घेवन येशी जाल्यार कोणाचो क्लेम तसो नाच ते जर क्लेम घेवन येवपाची हांगासर परिस्थिती दिना.
सर पूण थोडे लोक ते आपल्या प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन आयले रेल्वे एनक्लोज जाले अशें म्हणटात.
ते येवचे तेंच्यांनी. I feel that they should come forward with the proper documentation before me also or before the railways also. We can stop that work and we can inquire into it. But then no such case has been found.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.